and it's Tuesday. Another great workout ahead. We'll start with the daily 5 minutes of warming up. It's going to start with an EMOM, a 4-minute EMOM of 10 up downs and then max good morning. So remember our up downs, you're going to do 10, hands on the floor, feet out, feet in, and stand back up. Nice and controlled, keep that midline nice and tight. So you do 10 of those, and then you will do immediately into 10 good mornings. If you have a PVC pipe or a broom or whatever, get that on your back, dip those knees slightly, send that butt back. Again, stretching the hamstrings. So 10 up downs and then max good mornings for the minute. You will do that for 4 minutes. And then the last minute, you will do an AMRAP of air squats. So knees out, making sure you get hip crease below parallel and stand that up to full extension at the top. So that's today's warm up. Today's strength is a good one. It's 12 minutes of a running clock. You will do 10 dumbbell suitcase split squats on one side, and then you will do 10 dumbbell suitcase split squats on the other side, and then you will do bent over rows. So what do those dumbbell suitcase split squats look like? You're going to take one dumbbell, and then you're going to get yourself in your split squat or split stance, right? And from here, you're going to hold your dumbbell in your bending in your back leg, the arm of your back leg. And from here, you're going to squat to that back knee touches the floor. This is kind of tricky to get your balance, so make sure you have control. Then you're going to switch arms and switch legs, right? And then you'll go back here, nice and controlled. So you'll do 10 and 10, and then you will do 10 and 10 bent over rows. It's better to have some sort of bench or a chair. So let's get this little stool in here. Knee on the bench or on the stool. Hand just to brace yourself. I want you to send your butt back. None of that arching your back again, and no arching those shoulders. So I want your shoulder blades kind of squeezed together. You're going to bring that dumbbell up to your chest and back down. Nice and controlled. There's no starting your lawnmower, all right? So I want nice and controlled for 10 on one side and then 10 on the other. So that's the strength today. Today's workout are 2 8-minute AMRAPs with a 2-minute rest in between. So set your clocks for 18 minutes. So the first AMRAP, and this is where the movements are the same, but the timing is going to be, the rep scheme is going to be different each time. So in the first 8-minute AMRAP, again, 8 minutes, as many rounds as possible in 8 minutes, you're going to do 1, 2, 3 count of dumbbell thrusters, and those are double dumbbell thrusters. So your dumbbells start on the floor, right? You'll clean them up to your shoulders, and then you'll squat, and then you'll drive up. Squat, drive up. All right, you can certainly squat clean thruster the first one if you would like. So those will be in increments of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. After you do your dumbbell thrusters, you will go right into the lat up, down, over the dumbbell, which is what I actually showed you on Sunday as well. So you'll do, that rep scheme is 2, 4, 6. So up, down, 1, 2, over, out, in, over. All right, so again, the first AMRAP of 8 minutes, the dumbbell thrusters will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And the up, down, overs will be 2, 4, 6, 8. You will rest for 2 minutes, and then you will do the same movements, but the opposite rep scheme. So then you will do 2, 4, 6, 8 dumbbell thrusters and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the lat up, down, over the dumbbell. Should be okay. And easy to follow as long as you write it down ahead of time. So keep those reps under control. Make sure that You, again, write them down to keep track. It's a great workout. It's definitely going to get your heart rate up. Making sure in those, in the 2 minutes, in between the 8-minute AMRAPs, you bring that heart rate down, breathing. Don't just sit there. I want you to kind of walk around, even if it's slowly. Breathing through your nose, big breaths, right? Fill that belly, and breathing out through your mouth, nice and slow, all right? So hopefully you guys are enjoying the day today, and we'll see you next time.